Welcome to our next class, students. Last week I sent you worksheet of the chapter money. So these are the questions. And last week I sent you solutions up to question number 6. Clear? Now we'll discuss question number 7th to 11th. This is the case of division. Look children, look here. 7th question, you have to divide rupees 3.75 with 5. Clear? So division can be written in this form. Remove the decimal. When you will remove this decimal, children, what will come here? Here 100 will come. Because after the decimal there are 2 digits. Clear? Now 375 can be cancelled with the table of 5. Clear? Here when you will divide it, you will get 75. And under that there are 2 zeros. So where to put decimal? It will be 75, leave 2 digits and then put the decimal. This will be your answer. C part of 7th question only. You can have a look over here. C part of 7th question. You have to divide it with 9. How? I wrote 509.58 divided by 9. Now you remove the decimal. When you will remove this decimal, 2 digits are there. So 100 will come down. Now divide this with 9. I have already divided. You will get 5,662. Clear? Under that 2 zeros are there. So where to put the decimal? Leave 2 digits and here you will put decimal. Your answer is, what will be your answer? Answer is, here it will be right here 5662 and leave 2 digits 1, 2. This will be your answer. Okay children. 8th question. A man bought a shirt and a sweater for rupees 748.50. Clear? He bought a shirt and sweater. Both cost rupees 748.50. Out of this, cost of the shirt is given. You have to find cost of the sweater. So very simple. Out of the cost of both articles, you subtract the cost of shirt, you will get the cost of sweater. Clear? 9th question. The cost of a pen is 10.50 and the cost of notebook is 8.75. What is the total cost? So simply you have to add. So while adding, always be careful that decimal should be under decimal. 10th question. The cost of a water bottle is given. Clear? How much would 6 water bottle cost? Cost of 1 water bottle is given and you have to find cost of 6 water bottles. So this is the case of multiplication. Clear? So this way you have to multiply it. 11th question. Suman bought 10 pens for this much rupees. Find the cost of 1 pen. The value of more things you know, of 1 you have to find out. So in that case you have to divide. Clear? 225 divided by 10. Leave 1 digit. Answer will be rupees 22.5. With this worksheet is over. Now I'll send you next worksheet, that is of time. This is next worksheet of time. Conversion of time is given. Clear? When we convert bigger unit into smaller, we multiply, and smaller to bigger we divide. That you all are familiar with. I already told you King Henry I formula. So these are the questions. Clear? Go through it. I will send these questions in the class group also and try to solve all these questions. Next week we'll discuss solution of this worksheet. Thank you.